Hello, today we will guide you through how to share only a portion of your screen in Zoom. If you want to present just one specific area of your screen instead of everything on your desktop, Zoom makes that possible with its portion sharing feature. This is especially useful when you want to keep other windows, notifications, or private content out of view while still showing exactly what your audience needs to see. To begin, open the Zoom app on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access your meetings and sharing controls without interruption. Next, open a sample meeting. You can use an existing meeting for practice or join any meeting where you want to test the feature. It helps to do this in advance so you can get comfortable with the controls before presenting to others. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Zoom window and click Share. This opens the screen sharing options where Zoom lets you choose different ways to present content. After that, look toward the top of the sharing window and click More. This menu contains additional sharing options that are not shown in the main panel. If you do not immediately see it, take a moment to scan the top area carefully. From the More menu, choose Share Portion of Screen. This option allows you to create a movable frame that determines exactly which part of your screen others will see. It is a great choice when you want to focus attention on one section of a document, browser, or application. Now select the sample portion you want to share. You will see a highlighted box or frame appear on your screen. Position it over the area you want your audience to view. You can usually move or resize this frame so it fits the content more accurately. Try to include only the essential area, since a clean and focused view is easier for participants to follow. Once you are done adjusting the portion, click Share. Zoom will begin sharing only that selected area of your screen instead of the full display. As a helpful tip, before you start presenting, arrange the content you want to show so it fits neatly inside the selected frame. This can save time and make your presentation look more polished. It is also a good idea to double-check what is visible inside the shared area before continuing with your meeting. That's all it takes to share only a portion of your screen in Zoom. With this feature, you can present more clearly, protect your privacy, and keep your audience focused on the most important content.